Hi everybody, I wanted to show you the new Canvas accessibility checker. And where you find that is we need to get into one part of your course or our course, and we need to do that by getting into an area where we can edit. And then we need to be in the rich content editor area. This whole section here is the rich content editor. And over here is a small little looking guy in here. And this is the new check accessibility. So here we're in the editing mode. And if you look at this whole section that I have here, I kind of want to know if this is accessible. So all I need to do is click on this. And there are all my balloons and happy sign. I'm going to go back here. And it has balloons. It says accessibility, no accessibility issues. So that's really good. So I don't have to worry about this. And so I'm going to click cancel here. I want to take you to an area that is not accessible according to them, even though I kind of think it is, but I'm going to show you. And it's under my introductory and frequently asked questions. Again, I'm going to hit the edit area here, and I'm going to do an accessibility check. And it's going to come up with an issue. It's one of one. It says that text smaller than 18 point or bold 14 point should display a minimum contrast ratio of 4:5 to 1. Change the text color. Well, it automatically goes here and shows you what the problem is. Now, before I do that, I'm going to click out of here, and I want to show you what this is. It's a red, and they don't like the light red color on the white background. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to hit this accessibility checker, and I'm just going to go over here, and I'm going to click a darker color. So I'm just going to click down here. And then I'm going to say apply and see what happens. And there we go. It changed it in your content area. And it also said you are now have no accessibility issues. So that's one way you can correct something right here, right in the area without having to go someplace. Hope this helped you.